Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change a virtual background in a Zoom app uh, in Android version. So here, before we open the Zoom, you can try to update it first. You can find a Zoom app on the Play Store or App Store if you use the iOS. Now you can install it for free, or if you already installed, you can update your Zoom Workplace. So here, if you update this app, your bug will be fixed. So let's open your Zoom Workplace. Don't forget to sign in with your account. And if you don't have one, please sign up in order to use all the features. And here, if you want to change the virtual background in previous version of Zoom, you can set your virtual backgrounds via option, like you can tap more and you can set the virtual background in this option feature. Now in the new version, you only can change virtual background through the new meeting or join new meeting. For practice, let's start a meeting. And here, as you can see, there is a taskbar or toolbar. Find the apps. So this one, you can tap these apps. And this is the virtual background by Pexels. So you can tap this virtual background options. Now become a third-party apps. And there are four categories: nature, interiors, art, and also travel. So simply tap the background to set your backgrounds, and also you can share this background to your friend. And also, if you want to set your background into the blurry one, you can tap three dots beside the search pixel box, and there is blur feature here. Just tap it. If you encounter the error, make sure your internet connection is good, and also you can consider to use a green screen to get best quality of this background. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.